Welcome to online class for class 12 computer science. In this session I will discuss about the syntax of defining a function in Python. So let's see, I am directly typing in the standard Python editor. First we have to type def. Def is a keyword to define a function in Python. And you know about the keyword. Keywords are the special words which is a special meaning for the compiler. After the keyword def you have to write the name of the function. So I am typing the name of the function here, function name. You may have any name for the function, but keep in mind that function name must begins with an English alphabet. After that you can use underscore or digits also. After the name of the function you have to type parenthesis, and inside the parenthesis you may have parameters. Parameters are the arguments or values which you pass during the calling of a function. After the close parenthesis you have to type colon. Colon is important, colon is required. This is the syntax of defining a function. So colon. After colon you must press enter. When you press enter the block of function starts. Here you have to type the statements of that function. Suppose these are the statements inside a function. After writing the statements you may have return statement. You know that function return a value. So this return statement is optional in function. The function may return a value or may not. So one thing you may have noticed that all these statements have some indent settings. Indent means there is a tab or a space before each and every statement. So when all the statements are with same indent setting, it means those statements are in the same block. Therefore the function is a self-contained block of code, and function return a value, so there is a return statement inside a function. So this is the complete syntax of defining a function in Python. So what are the parameters, what is a return value, how we can return a value from a function, how the statement executes inside a function, how to call a function in a Python program. All these things you will learn in my next video.